gorgeous winter day. There's my boy playing with a rock. What do you got? Good morning. Sometimes when I'm too lazy to take him to the PARK, we come to this empty lot up the end of my street and I just let him play with a rock and he's super happy. So, but look at it. I just can't get over the weather we've been having. It's so beautiful. We are in BC, Canada, and this is the weather we're having, and eastern part of Canada is like freezing over. Good afternoon, guys. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I slept 11 hours last night, like I usually do on my first night off. I just crashed. Anyways, I just want to show you super quick. I am heading to the doctor's today, and then I'm going to get my hair done. So I didn't give myself a lot of time to get ready. So basically, I'm just bringing myself a cold brew coffee. And what else? And one of these good fats. This one's the mint chocolate. So I'm just gonna be eating on the fly. I don't know if I'll get anything else while I'm out, but that should do for now. I had my bullet coffee this morning, took the dog out. It's a gorgeous day, and yeah, I'm gonna go get some stuff done. So I'll check in with you later. All right, so here I am trying on some bikinis. This one was cute, but I thought it was still a little too small. This one definitely was too small. Don't mind the filming, guys. I wasn't quite sure how to do it, but yeah, this one did not have enough support and was a little too tight, so that was a big no. This one, it's hard to see. I wish I had a better picture of it for you. It was really cute, and I actually left not buying it and kind of wish that I had got it. I thought this one was also cute, but it felt like my boobs were gonna fall out the bottom. It had no support, so that was a big no. This one was cute. I didn't mind it, but not the one I ended up getting. So then here's me headed to get my hair done, and ended up super dark and really happy with how it turned out. All right, so for dinner I needed to throw something together quickly because I didn't get home till late and I haven't done a lot of shopping. So all I did was cook up another one of these spaghetti squashes and the same tomato sauce with Italian sausage, and do that. So quick, fairly easy dinner, and it's gonna be yummy. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the last day of our January Keto Challenge. I'm pretty excited about that. I know I haven't been pumping out as many videos the last couple of weeks. It's been really difficult to stay on top of with my schedule. Anyways, today's Thursday, which is actually my Monday. Heading off to watch a little baby boy for the day, and then I do work an overnight shift tonight. So this is the last week of work, or 5 days of work, before my husband and I head out on vacation. So I'm getting excited about that. Dyed my hair. It's pretty dark. This is probably the darkest I have ever been. And it'll fade quickly though. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna bring to eat to work for the day. So yeah, I will throw something together and then I'll show you what I got. All right, so here is what I've thrown together for lunch. I had leftover Greek salad from last night, my girls group last night. So I just added some cucumber, bulked it up a bit, and I'm gonna finish that. I've got some strawberries here and some Brazil nuts and 2 laughing cows. So this is a little higher carb than maybe I would normally do for lunch. I'm starting to incorporate a little bit more carbs. I feel like it might be a good idea before I go away, because I certainly won't be staying complete keto while I'm away. So just bumping up the carbs a little bit to see how, just to let my body adjust, I think. The other thing I've got is my iced coffee and my water. So there we go. I'm going to take the dog for a walk and head out the door. I'm just getting off work, and I just wanted to show you how cool the clouds look. Look at that. It almost looks maybe a little stormy or like it's gonna snow. We've had such beautiful weather lately, so it's still nice out and it's mild. Yeah. On my way home, and I'm gonna figure out what's for dinner. Okay, so here's my fancy dinner. I made chili dogs for the family and broccoli and cauliflower with cheese sauce. So I'm just having a couple hot dogs and veggies with cheese sauce. All right, guys, so it is about 10:15. I'm just heading off to work. I just thought I would come and say thank you so much for watching my video and tell you that I had a moment of weakness. I bought 2 boxes of these. These are the caramel chocolate nut roll Atkins bars. It seriously tastes like an O. Henry. And I bought 2 boxes of them for my trip, my upcoming trip, because I just know there's gonna be lots of temptations. Hubby likes to indulge on trips, and so I figured it's better to have this, right? I'm just gonna try to stay low carb while I'm away, so it's a good alternative to crap. But yeah, and then I forgot I had them, and I saw the 2 boxes, and I just tore into one of the boxes. And I ate one. The good thing about it is it's only 3 net grams of carbs, so that's an awesome carb count. It's just full of crap, you know, and it definitely has foods, probably sweeteners in it that would spike blood sugar levels. So I actually stopped buying a lot of these kinds of products. Same with the bars that I showed you in a previous video. Like, I try not to have those kinds of products in my house anymore, because then I just eat them and I find it triggers cravings for me. So yeah, not the best choice, not the greatest way to round up our January Keto challenge, but you know what, there was so many positives in this last month. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling ready for Costa Rica, and I just might have a video to show you of me in the bikini that I ended up buying, but you'll have to wait till I'm in Costa Rica. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just tried to keep it as real as possible. You know what, like, I'm really happy with what I'm doing, and it's a journey for me. There's no real destination, and I've already got to the destination where I feel pretty comfortable in my body, and now I just need to continue to do the inside work to keep getting better and better and having less of those moments where I do still have moments where I don't necessarily like what I see, or I want to change certain things. And you know what, as long as I just keep putting the good foods into my body and keep on this way of life, because this is the way that's been the most successful for me and that I feel the best, I think I'm going to be just fine. So anyways, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.